So I bought this Robo Elvec Voice Pro from Eureka Forbes on 4th of July 2024, and they have got these door-to-door salesmen, and they keep on coming, and they sold me that, and along with a water purifier, water filter, which is their top model with copper inside container or something like that. And they exchanged in return I exchanged it to my previous AquaGuard and previous Eureka Forbes ka vacuum cleaner, and I bought both the products, this water filter at 20,499 and this RoboVac at 26,000. Then there were two guys, two salesmen. One's name is Subhra Chakraborty and the other is Amulya Bhuya. Then they gave me an invoice on 4th of July, dated 4th of July, and where the filter was printed, and but the RoboVac, they wrote it down. They wrote it in their own handwriting. And when I asked, okay, why you are not providing it a printed for different, they said, okay, fine, we are buying it together, so I'll just write it down and that is okay, that will be fine. So I didn't know anything about I thought okay, it's okay because the salesperson came, and Eureka Forbes being a reputed company and I have been buying their products for quite some time. Then recently, I think around 15, no, it was almost 1 month back, this RoboVac stopped working. So I sent for, since it is under my warranty, so I sent for a service request. Then they came and picked it up and they said, okay, ma'am, your product is not registered in your name. We have an account in our name, right? But then I said, okay, maybe there's some mistake, they forgot to just take it away and fix it, and because since it is in warranty only. Then they took and they asked me for the warranty card, and I provided the warranty card and provided the invoice that the salesperson has provided me. And the person was the service person who is repairing my thing, that is, it's been rejected because you don't have a proper invoice. I mean, I said, what it is, what is the proper, what is not there in my proper invoice? He said, no, because the one that is given to you in printed form, that is considered as a proper invoice, but since your product name is written over the filter this invoice, then it is not valid. Then I said, okay, I have to given you the proper warranty which has been given. But no, this is not okay. You have to provide us a proper invoice. Then I started reaching out for Eureka Forbes. I started calling the salesperson, requesting them, but till now they have not provided me a proper invoice. I mean, this is a fraud going on by Eureka Forbes or by their salesmen. I don't know, because they are cheating our innocent customers like this. We trusted them. They send us salespersons to our door, they sell their products, and they don't provide you the invoice. And when you need the invoice for when your product is in under warranty period to need some repair, they simply refuse flat on your face, and they will try to mince. They are trying, or they are mincing money out of you even when your product is under warranty. So beware of these guys and beware of Eureka Forbes when you buy their products, and when a salesperson from this fraud company come to you, please do not. I have already registered a complaint in the National Consumer Forum. I don't know how far it's gonna take me, how long it's gonna take, but I am willing to fight for it. Okay, so don't fall for these guys and their sweet talks.